Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. और आज थोड़ा अब तक तो प्रैक्टिस वगैरह सब कुछ हो गया. Getting all our drones ready now. Yeah, Glenn. Namaste, Glenn. What's up?
I'm good.
Okay, he's good now. So we are in a beach now. थोड़ा रिस्क ज़्यादा है अभी, तो आज थोड़ा टैकल करेंगे थोड़े बहुत trees and all को. देखते हैं how it goes.
Old walls that I built for you, just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see it coming. Oh, old walls that I'm stuck inside. I guess beauty sees what I can't find. I didn't, no, I didn't see it coming. Well, I got your code and I got your message. I want you to know that you are the love of my life.
Okay. So we had a very good flight today. Now it's time for some Phantom.
Okay.
Are you gonna fly it?
Which one?
The Phantom?
Yep.
I'm gonna fly it. What the fuck, dude? What the fuck? Go. Hey guys, we are at hanging bridge now and बहुत थक गया हो यार. तो okay, Glenn ने अपना ड्रोन उड़ा दिया अभी. We're getting some sick shots. Let's see how this place looks now. बोर हो रहा है ना? थोड़ा सिनेमैटिक वे में दिखाता हूँ.
I want you to know that you are the love of my life. The love of my life. You never leave when the song is over. You ride or die till the end. You're the love of my life. You're the love of my life. My life. Oh.
Okay guys, so we are done with our third vlog today, and do like, share and subscribe. Meet you on the next vlog. Bye bye.
Old walls that I built for you, just to dig me out.